Warning. This journey may cause epileptic seizures. Press this button to exit. A pulsar is a rapidly rotating neutron star, radiating opposing beams of electromagnetic waves out into space. As the pulsar rotates, its beams move around 360 degrees like the light of a lighthouse. Whenever the radio waves sweep across the Earth, it appears as the distinctive short and precisely repeating signal. Chapter 1. Rotation period as click.